Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see the truth behind Michael Jackson's plastic surgery. First, when we hear the name Michael Jackson, what comes to our mind? Obviously, it's plastic surgery or vice versa. But what is the actual relationship between Michael Jackson and plastic surgery? Let's see further. Michael Jackson was born on August 29, 1958 in Gary, Indiana. Gary, Indiana is a small city situated in United States at downtown Chicago. He was a very beautiful young black American who started his career in the field of music at a very young age. He started to dance and sing when he was 5 years old. Since he was little, he always received love and affection from his mom, Catherine Jackson, but the reaction from his father was quite opposite. His father never appreciated him or never encouraged him or never appreciated him for his talents or anything. Instead, he started to bully him and tease him, saying he had a very big nose and his skin complexion was very dark. So Michael Jackson was very much hurted, and he started to develop inferiority complex at a very young age because of his father's abuse. He felt shy, he felt ugly, he felt embarrassed to go and perform on stage in front of thousands of people. So it was literally like a nightmare to Michael Jackson, but he couldn't do anything to stop all of this. Instead, he put up his whole childhood with the abuse and bullying. But when he was 20 years old, he started to act in a film called The Wiz with Diana Ross. And during the rehearsal for the film, Michael Jackson he broke his nose, and it was the first time he realized that he wanted to fix his whole childhood trauma, and he wanted to fix his nose as well. So he went for a plastic surgery or a cosmetic surgery. This is the first time when he went for plastic surgery. But what we get to hear from all newspapers and media is that Michael Jackson was a plastic surgery addict, and he completely changed his whole body because of plastic surgery. But none of it is true. He never had plastic surgery to his cheekbones, or he never had plastic surgery to his chin or nose or lips. Everything is false. Everything that is written in the media is false. If you want, you can go and research in detail. The media always manipulates stories because good news to them doesn't sell. So please don't believe all the crazy rumors that's going on in the media about Michael Jackson's plastic surgery. This is the actual truth. And he also said that he doesn't want to look like his father because he never really liked his father, because since he was little, his father always hated him, and he never appreciated him. So if you like my content, click to my channel and subscribe. Thank you.